How to fix WhatsApp call problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call easily and fast. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Now after you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is click on the WhatsApp like this, go to the notifications and disable the notifications and then enable them again. After that, you need to make sure that all the notifications are enabled. Go back, click on this force stop right here to stop the WhatsApp app from running, and then go down to this storage option. This is the internal storage informations. All what you have to do here is go to the cache and click on clear cache, and that's it guys. Now all what you have to do is reopen WhatsApp, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.